Yeah, hello guys, you are highly welcome. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to attach these Agbada patches to the body. If you buy these patches from your monogram plug, I'll be showing you how to attach it to the body, and with the easiest and the simplest method on how to achieve this. So this is the Agbada that I'm going to be using. This is the embroidery, monogram embroidery that I'm going to be using. So you have to fold your fabric into 4 like this and get the center gator with the shoulder gator. So this is the shoulder line now. Then you just notch it like this. After you notch it, then you open it again. Once you open it, all the gators will have given all the crease line. So that's the center line. So you now measure the neck. So you use the size of the neck to get the center now, not the embroidery itself. So you use the size of the neck to get the center of the Agbada. So once you get the center, what you need to do is to apply hemming gum at the bottom of this Agbada design, of this monogram. So just open it like this. You can use chalk to mark the area, and then you place the Agbada on it, and then you press it. Just make sure you use a pressing cloth, because you need to apply more heat on it, and the pressing cloth will not allow it to embroidery to be shining. So that is very important. So once you do this, you apply the same thing on the other side. You apply the pressing cloth on it, then you press it very well. Do the same thing on the bottom. Apply pressing cloth, then you press it very well. You do the same thing at the upper part here as well. You apply the hemming gum, and then you place your pressing cloth on it, then you press it very well. So that is all. Then you turn it to the back. You can as well apply it to the neckline also, that is the neck area of this Agbada. So I'm using my Zig Zag machine to achieve this. So once you set your Zig Zag machine for you to achieve this type of stitches, then you insert the Agbada, then you stitch it round like this. So you can as well apply hemming gum on that neck also, to make it very easy for you to stitch the neck area as well. So if the Agbada is coming from us, we normally apply jaraba at the edge of this of our Agbada patches. So this will make it very easy for you to stitch it to the body. Even if you are using a straight sewing machine, you can as well use it. So make sure you stitch it all around like this, and you are not stitching on the jaraba. You are not stitching on the jaraba, but at the tip of that jaraba. So that is where we are stitching. The same thing on this edge as well. You can as well apply hemming gum on this edge also, to make it very easy for you to stitch. So just sew it around like this. Make sure you take your time to do this. Please, if you are here to give this video a thumbs up, make sure you click on the like button, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. So that is how to stitch this round. Just stitch it round like this, and that is all. So please, if you also need a monogram design, you can as well contact me on my WhatsApp, and here is the number. You can as well message for your monogram work. So we also do this, and we do this at our company here at Noboty Fashion. So make sure you check us, and you patronize our business. So thank you so very much. On the subsequent video, what you need is just to cut the neckline round, and then you can also use a lighter to burn the edge, and that is all on how to stitch the Agbada patches to the body. See you in the next video, and then bye for now.